The author's new book presents a range of strategies designed to help individuals navigate the persistent challenges of despair that often follow childhood sexual traumatic experiences. Drawing on both personal stories and insights, the book emphasizes practical steps for rebuilding a sense of hope. Readers will find guidance on coping mechanisms, self compassion, and ways to reconnect with supportive communities. Through these perspectives, the book, The Persimmon Tree, aims to empower those affected by childhood sexual trauma to find renewed strength and purpose in their lives. Trauma can leave a lasting imprint, often manifesting as a persistent sense of despair that colors everyday experiences. This enduring emotional weight can make even simple tasks feel overwhelming, gradually eroding a person's sense of hope and well being. In my new book, this experience is explored in depth, shedding light on how trauma reshapes thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. Understanding this impact is crucial for recognizing the opposition many individuals face long after the traumatic event has passed. In my new book, The Persimmon Tree, you may visit www.glamour-kickstart.com to get your copy and learn how to overcome local trauma. Hashtag childhood trauma, hashtag childhood trauma, healing, hashtag trauma informed, hashtag healing, the inner child. Disclaimer: some facts have been taken from internet facts.